Hi everyone, it's Liam at Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this Kia Sportage GT line. Now of course you get full LED headlights and daytime running lights. You then also get front parking sensors. You get these brilliant painted alloy wheels, which of course are an 18-inch, and I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition that you do get. Coming around to the rear now, we've also got rear parking sensors and a reversing camera, which you can see just above the registration there. Moving into the tailgate now, we have got plenty of room inside of here, including a three-way splitting rear bench. So as you can see, you've got a lever on the side here, which will fold them all down in one, but you can then opt to have the middle one down on its own if you wish. Coming out to the round again, showing you the rear alloy just here. Into the back of the car now, we've got part Alcantara, part leather interior with your Isofix mounting point at the bottom. You've got full electric windows all around, keyless entry and start. Inside, we then have your parking sensors, parking camera, hill descent, auto hold and your drive select. So you can choose between eco and sport. You get your automatic gearbox in the middle here, engine start stop, and then you of course have your climate settings as well. You can of course tap here, which will then go to your media settings, so you can use the left hand side to go for your volume, or the right hand side to use the tune or track select. Then you've got your various media sources on the screen as well, so you can see you've got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, DAB, Bluetooth. You've also got satellite navigation as well. Then to the steering wheel, you've got your voice assistant, source, track select, and then of course your volume settings to the outside. Your Bluetooth hands-free is just below. Over to the right we have your cruise control settings as well, along with your onboard computer controls. You've got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this Sportage has done 44,027 miles. Coming back outside now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Kia Sportage, please don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.